Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And today was Wednesday, and that means all four of my local Tuesday mornings got their trucks. So I went out to look and do a little scavenger and see what I came up with. And it wasn't much. Sorry to say, it is towards the end of the year, and when you get towards the end of the year, the buyers run out of money, and so they don't put as much stuff in the stores. Like 4 months ago, there would be 800 or 900 pieces going into the craft department. And this week, there was only 120 pieces put into my craft department. And most of it was stuff that I'd already seen. So, I did find these. These are library cards and pockets. I like to buy these and keep them on hand. They're from American Craft. And I like to keep them on hand just because, you know, you use these in your junk journals and stuff. And you can decorate these, and they are just like plain manila colored. So I can take this and glue it into my book, or partially glue it, make a little tuck spot, like glue it on 3 sides, make an envelope, and then put a card in the inside here. There is 12 pieces in here, 6 cards, 6 envelopes. I bought 2 packs, put them all in one envelope, all in one bag so I can keep track of them. Again, these are 2112744 for $1.49. So 6 cards, 6 envelopes for $1.49. I also got this pad. Now, we've seen this pad before. I believe I actually showed this in my last haul or the haul before that. And this one is just a really nice paper from 49 and Market. The back of the front cover looks like this. And then you've got all these patterns. And it is cardstock. It's a good heavy cardstock. I'm going to be using this in a journal, so I wanted to make sure I had plenty of it, so I bought another pack today. Come apart, you sticky little boogers. Very watercolor kind of thing. I like that. And then you kind of get back to, we're repeating patterns here, almost all the way to the back. And then you've got the last couple of sheets. And in the last couple of sheets, you have this one. It says Sweet Memories. This moment, it's got some flowers, a beautiful branch here with some flowers, some butterflies. It's a piece of writing paper, some keys, a lock. Kind of cute. This one says Best Wishes, Congratulations, and it's got some more flowers and a wedding cake. And then there's a cut apart page. And as a bonus on the back, there's another page that you don't find anywhere else in the collection. So if you want to use this page more than once, you will need to scan it and make a copy of it. So as I said, there wasn't a whole lot in the store today. There were a few things, and let's see, one of the things I did see, and I did buy it, but I took it right back to the store, was a kit by American Crafters. Who was it by? I think it was by American Crafters. And a Crafter's Companion. And it was a kit, like one of those monthly kits, and I said, oh, well, let me see what this is. So I bought it, and I brought it home, and I immediately took it back to the store, because it said that it had so many pieces in it, and it was going to show you this, that, and the other. Well, first off, it doesn't give you any instructions in the box. There are no instructions at all in the box on what to do with the items that are in the box. You have to go online and go watch a video to learn what you're supposed to do with the kit. The amount of stuff, they said that it had sheets of paper, and it had 3 cutting dies in it, and it had a quilling tool, and then it had other paper in it. Well, when I opened it up, it did have paper, but only the top sheet was really attractive in my opinion. The rest of it was just kind of like, well, we got all this, let's cut it up into 6 by 6 and throw it in there. They weren't quite 6 by 6. They were more like 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 pieces of paper. Most of the kit was envelopes and cards, and not flat cards that you have to fold in half. They pre-folded them, so they took up more space, and so you had 2 packs about 2.5 inches thick that were just cards. There was only 18 projects in there, so probably 18 cards and 18 envelopes. Then they had a pack of paper that was just strips of paper that were approximately 3 inches wide and about 8 inches long. in several pastel colors. And then they had the 3 cutting dies, and the 3 cutting dies were, one was like a strip, to just cut a strip. Then another one was like some leaves. And the third one was the flowers. On the front of the box, they showed you probably 6 or 7 different sizes and types of flowers. You get 1 cutting die. All the rest of the flowers are made from pre-cut paper. So once you use that paper, you can only make tiny little flowers because the die that was left, the petals on it were no bigger than my pinky. So if you want to know how to quill flowers, I will tell you how to do it. You do need to do it by hand, though, because those dies are not easy to find. They can be found, but they're not very easy to find. So let me show you what I found at the Tuesday morning today. And then I'll be back. Here you go.
All right, guys. Here we are. Ready? So this is DCWV. This is the 180 sheet year-round pack. This is 8.5 by 11 for $9.99, 2122 284. And it's got like papers for all the seasons. And it says, doesn't say how many it has of each season anywhere on here. You know, how many pages? 1, 2, 3 sheets of each design. That's what I'm counting. So that's that one. Then they had this one, Beautifully Brisk collection from Bo Bunny for $6.99. This is a 12 by 12, 215. 6789. Let's take a look. Cut a cards there. Really nice pad for fall. Has some beautiful paper. 48 pages in that one. But here's the kicker. They have all of the ephemera. So the pad, the number on the pad is 215. 6789 for $6.99. And then they have the chipboard pieces, the layered chipboard for $1.99. 215 6834. Then they have the ephemera pack for $2.99. 215 6795. It's hard to see through the thing, but that's pretty much what you get in there. And then they have the cardstock stickers. These are $1.99. 215 6833. I wish they had the 6x6 though, because I really like this paper, but I don't want like the whole pad, the big pad. So I'll have to dig, but I don't think they have it. But they have that. Then they have this for $2.99. This is Pebbles. It's called Happy Hooray, 24 pages, $2.99, 214 7850. Remember, I said last week, you know, we're hitting the end of the year. So, unfortunately, I may have to get this just for the gummy bears. Unfortunately, they're kind of out of money. Alright, so here's another one. This one is, of course, an Echo Park. This one's called I'd Rather Be Crafting. It's an older pack. We've seen this a few times. You get the half sheet here that you can cut this stuff out of. You get the cut sheet, all your stickers in the back here. This is $5.99, 215 1237. But how odd is this? They actually have the chipboard set for $3.99, 216 1067. They have the chipboard. Can you believe it? Which is, I mean, pretty much the same thing as the sticker pack, but it's the chipboard pieces. So if you buy this and this is never enough, you can get that. Very odd. I know. And then they have this. Jungle Safari, again, Echo Park, 215 1238 for $5.99. 12 by 12 sheets. One set of stickers. And again, they have the chipboard for $3.99, 216 1068. So you get that too. And then, They had this, art school paper crafting and calligraphy. There are 10 stylish projects. It's $12.99, 2175355, and we'll open it up and take a look inside here. So you get some pearls, glitter washi tape, some twine, some glue, a calligraphy pen, a ruler, 2 things of markers, some paper, and then over here you get a book that actually tells you how to do everything. You get a stylus here and a craft knife. So not bad. Not great, but not bad. Other than that, there's not a whole lot of new stuff because, like I said, it's the end of the year. And when they get towards the end of the year, the buyers run out of money. So, it's a little bit harder for them to get stuff. We got one new punch here. It's a snowflake for $4.99, 219-2067. Not a whole lot here is new. It's pretty much everything that was here last week. I did notice that they were starting to get in these snow and cocoa stamps. They got a couple, 2-3 different designs of those in here. That's pretty much it for those. They got some more wood elements in. Those are cute. $2.99, 213-1411. This one is 213-1417. And the one with the sewing machine and the typewriter, 214-1416. I got those in. Here's a baking one. That one's kind of cute. 213-1419. And those are all $2.99. They got the floral spice, but not the beautifully brisk. Aggravating. I never have it in the size I want it in. So that's it, guys. I mean, there's not a lot. Mostly because, you know, well, it's the end of the year, and the buyers are out of money. So that's it. I am going to put my mess away, because I always do. Now remember, if there's music in the background, it's not my fault. Nothing I can do to control that. Because I am in a public place. Alright guys, that's it. I'll see you at home. Bye-bye.
For Tuesday morning, as I've said before, and you heard me say several times during this video, because it is the end of the year, they're not getting a whole lot of new stuff in. Just hold on. I'm sure they're holding some money back for the Christmas season. So probably within the next couple of weeks, we'll start seeing a huge amount of Christmas type stuff come in. But other than that, I don't expect a whole lot of new stuff till the beginning of next year, and then it'll all start flooding back in again. So I want to thank you so much for hanging in there with me on this one. If you have not done so yet, do me a favor and hit that red button. Subscribe, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. I got paper and library cards and stuff. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.